Mama Raccoon, November 30th, 2021. She didn't have to ring the doorbell because 7:30 we opened it up and here she is. It's about 8 o'clock. What time is it, Chris? Hey, what time is it, Chris?
I'm looking up. It's
Mama.
8:23.
8:23. All right, 8:23. She came about an hour later than usual.
Raccoons. One of them just come in and try raccoons. Here, I'll take you a picture.
Good, Mama.
No, raccoon here. I'll take you a picture. Taylor's gonna feed it here in just a second. I'll take you a picture once it comes up. Yep. Yeah. Well, they're halfway pets. They live outside, but then they come and they let us.
They're wild, but if they ever need peanut butter, they come in.
Get food, yeah. Here. No. Well, let me tell you, if you had shut the door in here,
She rings the
and turn
doorbell.
light out and go in the house, it wouldn't be the same when you come out in the morning. I say they won't just destroy nothing, but you know, you take it with a grain of salt.
Well, this mama, she's not destroyed much after we started feeding her. At first, when she was a year old and had 5 kids, yeah,
Oh yeah.
she was ready to take cat bags, whatever she could. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, since you picture her feeding Mama. We had
I wonder how much she
we had 7 in
weighs.
here last year. That all let's see, 4 of them would eat out of your hand. One of them would come up here, sit on the couch with me.
Runty. I know, I miss Runt Runt, man. Chris was talking about Runt sitting on the couch with him. Here you go, Mama.
What's your house?
Mm-hmm. I guess she has 6 circles. 6 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Daddy finally gave up and started popping them. He got him a different air rifle. Hey. You what? Oh, you said, did you? Oh, yeah. Well, he's been popping it. Now, when I was growing up, Daddy was a good shot. Now, I'm telling you. We all shot open sights.
Are you smacking that peanut butter?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, it's okay. Take your time, Mama.
Oh, was it?
Get you a drink. I made them thicker for you. It's okay. Take your time. Get you some water. Get you water, baby girl.
Thanks, Gene.
It's okay. Mama, get you some water. Get you drinky. Get you a drinky.
What do you think about
New video.
mowing?
Precious Mama Bear.
Yeah,
Or Mama
we just
Raccoon. I
talked
call her
about
Mama
this
Bear. She's so big. I love her so much.
We put a bid in on 250